Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you some useful keyboard shortcuts for Mac. Okay, so there will be some very useful which will be very useful for you while using MacBook on daily basis. So first one is, if you want to preview any image, so what you have to do, you will just double click on it and you can see like this, preview the image. But here is a shortcut, keyboard shortcut. So like this, just select the image. Okay, now press and hold space bar. Okay, like this. So like this you can easily preview the image, and when you hold this, you can like this check the image, and when you leave the button you will see like this. So this is the first. Now second is, if you want to quit any app. Okay, so when I open this Safari app, okay, now here you will see this red cross. So when I click on this app will be quit. But here you will see, when uh, you zoom the app, here you will see that a dot. This means this Safari browser is not closed completely. So you have to just now you have to click on double right click and click on quit. So like this you can quit it, but there is a shortcut for this also. So when you open this, okay, Safari, and now what you have to do, use this shortcuts, command plus q, command plus q. So like this you can quit easily. Now third one is, if you want to use a emoji keyboard, okay, wherever you want, okay, in MacBook or in browser, you can easily use by using these shortcuts. So what you have to do, just click on command, press command, control and space bar. Okay, now like this you can use any emoji keyboards, okay, here, okay, in the search bar. So like this, this one is for keyboards, emoji keyboard shortcuts. Now next one is, if you want to take a screenshot. Okay, so what you have to do, just press command shift and 3. Now you will see that this captures entire screen. So now second is, in screenshot you have to just press command shift and 4. So now you can uh, take a screenshot of selected area, okay, like this. And if you want to record screen, so what you have to do, just click on command shift and 5. You can easily record any entire screen or selected specific screen in your MacBook. Okay, like this you can use these are the keyboard shortcuts which you can use in daily life in MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.